Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve set Facebook join dates. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook set join date, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook. After that, you will enter to force stop. You will click force stop, then you will enter to storage. Then here you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff here, as you see, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and watching.